The OnePlus 6 will be announced in London in just over a week's time. As a trendy smartphone maker does, the company has been teasing the device on Twitter in anticipation of its flagship announcement. This morning, OnePlus tweeted a short video hinting that the phone will be able to record super slow motion videos. The teaser video shows various things that one would capture with a slow motion camera, like a light bulb bursting, a watermelon with a pack of rubber bands on it, and a bubble popping, just to name a few. The final slow motion demonstration in the teaser reveals the text "Shoot on OnePlus 6", which is revealed as a large bubble pops slowly. This comes not long after the feature leaked less than 2 weeks ago on an Indian website. More specific details like the frame rate nor the resolution has been revealed. This feature aims to compete with Sony and Samsung, which both offer a super slow-mo camera capable of up to 960 frames per second at 720p. Sony's XZ2 can do 1080p. We'd hope that it can at least match the Galaxy S9's 960 frames per second at the rate 720p. Now that LG's G7 Think also has the feature, we'll surely be seeing it in more flagship in the next year or two. The OnePlus 6 will have a Snapdragon 845 CPU with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. There will be a 6.28-inch notched AMOLED display, which we expect will have a 19:9 aspect ratio and FHD plus resolution. The dual camera system will have 20 megapixel plus 16 megapixel sensor with a 16 megapixel selfie camera. These specs are all according to the TINA listing from last month, but all will be confirmed at the press event. Guys, what do you think about this? Simply share all your views and thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, peace out.